new version of the famous Wake Up Light. Since its introduction in 2006, the Wake Up Light has proved to be immensely popular for people who want to start their day in a more natural way. The inspiration for these new models came from, where else? The sun. So like the sun, every morning they get brighter and brighter, starting with a deep red glow, moving through orange, and then eventually giving a warm yellow light. And like the sun, as you can see, they're also round in shape. Unlike the sun, they manage to fit onto your bedside table. They're small enough for that, and in fact, they're a good deal more compact than their predecessors. It offers a number of natural sounds to wake up gently to, and in certain models, you can also dock with an iPhone or an iPod. Now this gives you two advantages. The first one is that you can wake up to your own music, but the second one is through a special app that you can actually control the wake up light from your iPod or your iPhone, giving you more functionality, more possibilities.